Ajui pau asang na pamili ajui kamataya pawing central government and north east state kaikali warren malay to kuipaira da asam rifle de pungchak ni haira Bangladesh li shimchu shokdan ni hangshini ti haira kalan ni hampangali sasa haira in the line permit hi Nagaland state kutong khali chatna phalungra da Nagaland recover na hang haira Gujarat state li swine flu gazadna ni mati ti haira Jammu and Kashmir li Khalepurwana district li terrorist bing na attack kasajli United Nations Security Council na muringa phakala makhamaya phungshok haira Ajui pau misa na pamili central government na Assam Arunachal Pradesh Manipur Nagaland Kalan Mizoram district ping Mayambal reporters kasa apam pingli Assam Rifles to hosang haira Kalashipai ping jigi Waramal leila ning khamong shimjuli changdar search kalan mili area sapaira da pungshak mi haira Bangladesh we capital li 5-story building we aina me jushokta mi hangshini ti haira kala hampangali sasa haira the director of fire service and civil defense Zulfikar Rahman na hang haira Nagaland state li ILP matalak aina le khawai matalak aina lelon khawai apam timapuli illegal migrants malay khawai ILP issue sara ta Nagaland we governor BP Acharya assembly budget session li hang haira Rata kale Sunday tong National Farmers Convention Korakpuli Sakit the college li India with Prime Minister Narendra Modi na PM Kishan Samman Nidhi scheme we asking the 12 crore India related kale farmers being we account rupees 25,000 crore hi sam mi hawra che haira singkum akale lupa thingtharuk sam mi ra da pungsho khaira Matu pau hian khangchang sa haira psychorally mong phamisa